Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dreamy golden glow effect for your videos in Capcut. So here you just need to add the clips and then just go straight to the video effect. Now find the retro category and then select the retro blue effect. Okay, this one. Adjust the effect. So for the blur, adjust it to around 63, and then the glow, just leave it as it is. No, the glow is 100, sorry about that. And then the filter, lower it to 0. Now click on a check icon, apply it to all of your clips, and then you can just go back, go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 10, and then the contrast also increase it to 10. Now saturation 11, and lower the exposure to -7, and then go to highlight, increase it to around 20, and the shadow 12, and increase the temperature to around 30. Now set the hue to 10. Okay, and then you can just click on the filter tab, click on the live category, and then find the tan filter. Okay, this one. Then you can just adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 20. Click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye.